Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I just got my copy of Dappled in the mail, and I'm excited to jump in. I haven't looked through it yet. I do have to be an annoying person and name drop a little, because I actually knew the cookbook author and famous pie maker, Nicole Rucker, when she was a little girl. I was friends with her mom when they lived in San Diego, so I've known Nicole since she was about 8, but sadly we lost touch of each other on Facebook and lost contact, but we used to be pen pals, and she was the most awesome kid, super nice, super smart, fun, great. Anyway, I'm so excited that she has this beautiful baking recipes for fruit lovers cookbook out. I absolutely had to own it. I didn't want to just get it from the library. Maybe someday I'll have an autographed copy. Hint. She is the chef and owner of Fiona. Look it up. And she has a very active Instagram presence. Check it out. Oh, this is beautiful. The use of color, of course. Of course. I wouldn't expect anything less from Nicole. Beautiful. This is making me hungry, and I don't normally read dessert cookbooks in January right after I've been picking out on Christmas and New Year's foods for weeks. But fruit desserts are healthy, right? For Blaine Rucker, my tolerant, loving, and brilliant husband. Oh, that's very sweet. So, I am a fruit lover, and I grew up in Wenatchee, Washington, the world capital of apples and cherries, so I know a lot about fruit. Let's check out the chapters. Introduction, of course. How to choose fruit. Fruit for breakfast and brunch. Ooh, yum. Cookies and bars. Dessert cakes, puddings, cobblers, and crisps. Pies, tarts, and galettes. Ice creams and sorbets. Ooh, oh, this isn't just a baking book. Cool. Sugared, salted, and preserved. Ooh, I don't know anything about preserving fruits. And pantry recipes. Okay, so like we do in Cookbook Divas, I'm going to page through the book a little looking for just some little sneak previews, but we're not going to spend a lot of time looking at every picture because I don't want to ruin it for you, and you should go buy your own copy. Raspberry scones. Kind of a detailed recipe. Okay, might be too much work for me. I'm a little lazy. Berry and bran muffins. It's looking like there's a picture for every recipe, which I really appreciate in a cookbook. Multigrain porridge and pear pancakes. That sounds too healthy. I don't know. I mean, I need to because it's January. Dutch baby with sauteed apple compote. Yum. I'm going to skip ahead. Skipping ahead a little. Ooh, lots of pictures. Plum and yogurt souffle cake. I have to say the food photography in this book is stunning. It's well lit. It's gorgeous. Makes me want to bake it. Skipping way ahead, baked vanilla custard with berries. Have to admit, a lot of these pictures are beige and brown because that's what desserts look like when they have fruit and pie crust. Ooh, oh, that's intriguing. Sweet corn pudding with blackberries. I have blackberry bushes right outside my house. Of course, it's winter right now and they're dead. Ooh, summer pudding. Wow. Tomato pudding. That is intriguing. I would definitely try that. And you need the recipe for ricotta biscuits dough on page 242. Okay. Pear and ginger strudel. I am allergic to ginger, so I would never make that one, but I'm glad to have it. Apple brown Betty. Almond and berry cobbler. This seems like a one-stop shop for all the fruit desserts. Like, if I need to make room on my cookbook shelf and get rid of another cookbook, no names, to make sure I have room to keep this one, I will totally do that. Here's a chapter on peaches. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Rhubarb and blood orange Pavlova. I have rhubarb growing in my backyard, whether I want it to be or not. However, it grows suspiciously near where the dogs go to the bathroom. Might not be harvesting it. Here's the pies, tarts, and galettes chapter. This is what Nicole is most known for. Sour apple pie, banana cream pie. I've never attempted to make one. Maybe this will give me the confidence. Berry buttermilk pie. Okay. Frankie's lemon pie. Don't know who Frankie is, but I'm sure it says so in the recipe. Yes, it does. Okay. This is beautiful. Prune and pistachio cream tart. Now, this is why I buy cookbooks, because I never, I might have thought, oh, I'll make an apple cobbler. I'll make a berry cobbler. I'll make a plum pudding. But I wouldn't have sat there thinking, oh, I'm going to go make a prune and pistachio cream tart. And look how gorgeous that is. And I have a tart pan, which I haven't used in almost a year because I'm a lazy cookbook hoarder. Strawberry galettes. I like making galettes because they're so forgiving. You can just fold them over and go with it. I'm skipping ahead to ice creams and sorbets, which I'm not sure why they're in a baking book, but they have to do with fruit. Brown sugar apricot ice cream, black raspberry ice cream. I'm not going to spend a lot of time looking at these because it's really cold today here in Seattle. Peach Melba sundaes, beautiful. This is incredible. I am impressed. Now, I am a cookbook reviewer who doesn't go through and try the recipes first to present to you if this cookbook really works or not. Ooh, fruit scrap vinegar. I'm not that type of person. I just like to look at the pictures, check it out. I'm not going to pour through the recipe in detail during a cookbook review. But I would say definitely this is a must-buy. If you like baking, if you like fruits, this is a wonderful gift book, especially in the spring or summer when all the fruit starts coming out. Love it. That is my review of Dappled, a sneak preview. Pick it up on Amazon. It just came out fairly recently. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and probably soon Pinterest.